Okay, good day guys. Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about more on editing. Okay, so now let's say, for example, let's do a simple model by the side and let's draw a typical frame structure, or let's do a typical frame structure. Okay, so sorry, I have my column like this. I have my column also in a straight line like this, then also in another straight line like this. So let me just copy this, so I'll replicate it to get the actual distance. Okay, so I'll just come here, pick 2 points and move from here to here. So if I want to delete this object, I can delete the original object and it will move it to this point. I just want to copy, so I will untick this place, so apply. Okay, so you can see it has been there. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is, let me move this again, let me replicate it um, from this point to this point. So you will notice that if I move from this point to this point is negative, but if I move from here to here is positive. Okay, so apply and click OK. So it creates these three. Now I want to create a simple beam. Okay, so I'll just create a beam like this. Doesn't matter the property, doesn't matter, I'm just using it for explanation. Okay, now okay, so I've done this. Now I want to create a beam in the middle. I can easily draw the beam also in the middle, but like I've said, I prefer to split my frame, so I'll just highlight the whole structure like this, then come to divide frames. Okay, so break at intersecting frames or joints, to select it and click OK. So now you notice that initially I drew this one as one, but now it has been splitted. Now let's say I've drawn a slab like this. So I've drawn a typical slab like this. I've drawn it over this. Well, if you run the analysis, it will give you the correct result you want. But most cases, me personally, I prefer to split my slab over the beams. Okay, what I'll just do is select my slab and select the beams that I want it to split over. So for example, I want it to split over this beam, select it and come to divide shells. Okay, so you can see it, cut cookies over selected frame object. So click OK. So you see that this has been splitted, this has been splitted. Okay, so now if I want to join it, let's say I have a cantilever slab, or I want to draw an offset beam. Now I can come here, we have what we call the none property. Just select this and choose none. When you use none, it means it has zero stiffness. It's like a dummy beam. So I can put the offset distance maybe 1200, for example, now, and I draw it from here to here. So you can see it has an offset here, so I can draw it there. Now I can draw my slab. Let's say I want to put a slab, put the property you want. Let's say I'm just assuming 150. Okay, then I want to draw this slab. Okay, so I'm not doing anything with the non being. I can select it and delete it, or I can leave it there. ETABS won't account for it, so there's no problem with it. Okay, so I've deleted it. You can see it's no longer there. So same thing with it. I can also do a null frame, that is non-frame. If I want to do a column, and I can also offset as many as I want. Okay, so now we are done with this. So I want, in this case, let me come back here, I want to merge these slabs. Let's say I just want to delete this beam, delete it. Now I prefer, since I want to merge this slab, so I'll just select this slab, and if I want to merge with this also, I can select it, it doesn't matter, and come here, you can see merge shells. Okay, so now in this case, it's only picking these two shells. I'll just click OK and it will merge it. So let me select this and select this again and merge shell. So you can see it has been selected. So click OK and it's merged at once, so we can see this. So these are some of the editing tools on ETABS. So as we move forward, we will get more insight on how to use the software. Thank you very much.